Hi, I'm Diane Gertis. It is 6 weeks until the implementation of the Ability to Repay or the Qualified Mortgage Act. So what are the new underwriting guidelines, you ask? Beats me. We've come to suspect that the lenders have hired hieroglyphic experts to try to decipher the new guidelines that are going to be introduced. And so far, we haven't heard a word out of any bank. One thing's for sure, 2014 is going to be a rocky ride into mortgages until all this gets sorted out. And there's going to be new disclosures. By the way, the government truly believes that the more disclosures a consumer signs, the less likely they'll go into default. Richard Corday, the director of the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau, said taking out a mortgage is one of the biggest financial decisions a consumer can make. There is a new form called our Know Before You Owe, and these forms are going to help the consumer. They'll help them be able to shop for interest rates. They'll be able to prevent surprises at the closing table. It is such an awesome new form that it's been delayed till July 2015. But what we do know is that if a lender does not follow the QM guidelines, Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac will not purchase the loan, and the lender will be stuck with it on their credit line. Also, they'll lose legal protection in case of default if they do not follow the QM guidelines. David Stevens, the president of the Mortgage Bankers Association, was quoted on CNBC stating, "The rules are a good thing, but it can also set up bad behaviors." This followed the announcement of the creation of several non-QM mortgage institutions. The new leader of the bad boy mortgage movement, drumroll please, is none other than Raj Dave. Who is he? He was the former director of the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau. His company is going to take on more risk, and I'm sure that the interest rates will be higher, but they're not going to follow QM guidelines. And what do you think it says that he's running around opening up a new company about the QM? Oh, I'm just asking. Another lender that's going to be non-QM is PennyMac, and it is run by executives from Countrywide. Well, they've had plenty of practice they know how to do loans that that don't follow the rules. Implementing a one-size-fits-all program is like trying to fit my beloved mother-in-law into a pair of size 6 jeans. Something's going to burst, and it's not going to be pretty. 2014 will be an interesting year in mortgages. We'll have to fasten our seatbelts and see who's going to fit and who is not. Thanks.